Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today the topic is collection of the drug substance from animal and other kingdoms. Animal substance must be collected from the perfectly healthy specimen. An experienced zoologist must be thoroughly identify the specimen before the collection. Wild animals are preparable as they are natural specimens. Animal products obtained must be genuine, not spoiled by the dirt decomposition. They must be not be worm eaten. Secretion and excretion should be obtained in hygiene condition and from healthy beings. Animal substance not available in locally should be procured from reliable source but not in the pulverized form. During storage, protect the specimen from the light, moisture and contamination. Medicine prepared from the animal sources should be a pure or unadulterated state. Do not mix them with any substance. Particular rules from their animal drug substances are obtained from wild domestic sources, zoological gardens. The mode of collecting of these drugs substance also varies. That is, uh, codfish, Oleum jacrosi. They are collected by fishing, like jellyfish, starfish, cuttlefish. Wild element are by collected by hunting, like beaver, musk deer, uh, sperm whale. The insects are proper wild or cultivated in the scientific way also, like ants, cantharides, cockroach, honeybee. Some animals are caught by the different processes like lizards, spiders, toad. Snake venons are either collected from wild snake or cultivated ones from the snake farms. Venom is collected in glass containers by the expert in the field. Ex- uh, Minerals and chemicals are minerals and chemicals should be collected in natural state from the natural sources or pure chemical form. They must be tested both qualitative and quantitative. They should not be procured in powder or pulverized form. Strong smelling chemicals should be stored in airtight container away from the sunlight and other strong odors. Nozols and sarcodes. Collection of these drug substances require special and elaborate techniques. The person procuring this substance should be sufficient knowledge for the morbid anatomy and physiology of particular specimen. The endocrine products are the enzyme. They are collected from the cattle, sheep, etc. Should be procured from the hygiene and dependable slaughterhouse. The animal which are used must be absolutely healthy. These animals must be kept under observation on a prescribed diet before the juice collection. Nosode and sarcodes should be procured from the standard serological laboratory and that deal with the manufacture of culture of these organisms. Imponderabilia, specific instruction and rules for collection and preparation of these medicine are given in pharmacopoeia. Like magnetics can be procured from a physical laboratory. For preparing Luna, full moon is suggested. For preparing X-ray, a chemical testing laboratory may be contacted. Potentize of these medicine has to be done very carefully. Hope you all understand of these topics. Namaste.